Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about passive voice and sentences with indirect object. Please enjoy your coffee, drink or sandwich and remember to pay attention.
Passive voice is used when the focus is in the action. For example, my bike was stolen. By whom? It doesn't matter.
The passive with tense and aspect. It's also possible for the passive voice to interact with other elements in the auxiliary.
For example, with modals. Diamonds can be mined in South Africa. With present perfect. Diamonds have been mined in South Africa.
With simple past, diamonds were mined in South Africa. With past progressive, diamonds were being mined in South Africa.
Other passive verbs. Get. The get passive is quite common in informal conversational English.
For example, Homer got invited to the party. Have, as a passive auxiliary, can be referred to the experiential have. Mary had her purse snatched. The purse snatching happened to her.
Or the accusative have. Mary had her purse snatched. Mary arranged for someone to snatch her purse. Be in complex passives.
The be passive can also interact with bad clauses or infinitives. For example, John is thought to be intelligent.
It's rumored that he will get the job. Sentences with indirect object, a second noun object that tells us to who or for whom.
The action expressed in the verb is being carried out. Sentences formed with indirect object.
Verbs with implied indirect object. For example, Paul asked a question. Obligatory versus
deletable direct object. Obligatory direct object. For example, Paul gave the book to Alice. The direct object, the book, is compulsory in this sentence.
Deletable direct object. For example, we paid the money to Harry. In this sentence, we can delete the direct object, the money, and the sentence would remain with the same meaning.
Verbs with optional past, prepositional, indirect object. For example, Bob made a bookcase for Sally.
Optional indirect object in post-verbal position. Go find me a pencil. Now, we are going to link passive voice with an indirect object in the syntax of a sentence.
For example, the book was given to John by Alice. The sentence is expanded as subject and predicate. The subject is expanded as a noun phrase, and the predicate is expanded as an auxiliary verb phrase and adverbial.
Noun phrase is expanded as a determiner and a noun. Auxiliary is expanded as a tense and a passive. Verbs phrase is expanded as verb and prepositional phrase. Adverbial is expanded as a prepositional phrase.
Both prepositional phrases are expanded as preposition and noun phrase, and both noun phrases are expanded as a noun. The output of phrase is the book passed be given to John by Alice.
We have to use the following transformation rules: operator, addition, copy sentence, tense, to obtain the surface of base.
Created using Powtoon.